Hello, very good evening. My name is Dr. Ishan Bhatti, and you all know me. Basically, I have been teaching Maya for a long time, and instead of starting a whole new series of Maya, basically what I come across that there are lots of problems and issues that students constantly face. So instead of starting a whole complete lecture series, what I will be doing now is we will be talking on only 2 minutes of a series of video that will be basically consisting of various tools and tips that we involve us to work with Maya and allow us to solve various different small problems and learn Maya in a very quick and easy way. So this new lecture series will be basically a very short 2 minutes, 1 minute, or 1.5 minute, video which I basically call Maya in a minute video. And within this video series, we would be learning about various different tools, technologies, tips about Maya, about graphics, using any graphics tool that comes into my mind. And then any queries, any questions, any confusions, any problems, anything that you would like to know, do post on the comments, do like my channel, do subscribe. So again, any problem you have, post in your comment and I will try to solve that within a small video. So this is Maya in a 1 minute video. I'm Dr. Ishan Bhatti. So please like my channel, subscribe and spread the word. Also click on the bell icon so that you receive a notification with every new videos. I would be posting the videos regularly, so keep an eye open. Signing off. Thank you very much. See you around. Fi Amanullah.